everyone, my name is Nuha Azalia. So in this video I will be talking about what I learned during PEC for this past few weeks. So first week, Dr. Faiz Ahmed gave an introduction about PEC subject. Then Dr. Faiz give out the name list of each group in the WhatsApp. We are divided into 4 groups and I'm in a group 2, which name is Apple. Each group need to assign a leader, and as for my group, my leader is Damia. We were told that every week the lecturer will prepare an activity for us to participate. After that, the leader must go in front to present on the vision and mission on being a leader. So at first I thought we cannot find a good leader as we all just gather and know each other during the day, but after doing some icebreaking we managed to know deeper about each other, and because of that it makes us easier to select a leader. So I thought the communication is effective between the member in order to find a leader. So my contribution is I give out reason why the person is qualified to become a leader. So I learned that communication is an important thing in group to make something work smoothly, just like in healthcare environment where we need to make a conversation and do a discussion to make things work. And for the second week, we are giving out a video by our lecturer, and we need to discuss on the teamwork in the video and present our discussion in front of everyone. We divide tasks who will present between scene in the video. So firstly, my assumption is my team members have a lot of knowledge as we all from a different healthcare professional background, and the expectation from the activity is everyone come prepared to discuss the video and contribute their insight. So by doing this activity I got to practice on how to work together to analyze the video, not individually. So I value each other's perspective and expertise. This value can be a practice during our healthcare time. Next, on the third week, we have to do a role play about healthcare situation, and we need to relate the healthcare situation with teamwork that happening between different professionals. So my assumption before I do this activity is that I assume all the team members have a basic understanding of medical terminology and procedure relevant to the chosen scenario. And the expectation from this activity is everyone contributes to create a realistic and engaging scenario. So by doing this activity, this role play activity, we can predict the scenario and teamwork happening in the future during our healthcare time. And next is on week 4. During week 4, we are given out a handout by our lecturer. It needed us to discuss in group about online learning during pandemic. There are several questions that being asked from our group moderator relating to the pandemic. So my assumption is while doing this activity is I thought everyone has a similar opinion about the online learning, but actually the opinion differed from each person. Some people like the online learning or dislike the online learning. So in this I got to learn how to respect other people's opinion because we all have a different background of thinking. Indeed, I got to know each of the reasoning about their opinion. So this is very helpful to practice myself to become respectful with other people's opinion and trying to understand better, which this will happen a lot during my healthcare times in the future. And lastly, on week 5, we have been directed to find an article about cases relating to healthcare. We found a recent cases to discuss between our group member, and later after we discuss, we need to do a presentation on what we're discussing before. So during the discussion, also we have to identify the bad characteristic that allow this problem to happen. We find a lot of bad characteristic from the cases that relate to bad teamwork. So my assumption before doing this activity is I never thought that anything like bad teamwork can lead to a serious cases in healthcare. After I do some research and discussion, I got to think deeper about the importance of teamwork in a team. So by doing this, I got to be more careful and try to be a good member in a team where I can contribute just a valuable outcome for the team only. Thank you.